Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Atlantic Boost machine in Fish 8 Roblox. So if you want to catch the bigger fish and fill your inventory twice as fast, the Atlantic Boost machine is your ultimate power up for any serious angler. And here, if you see the update log, there is this new machine called Atlantis Boost machine. So you can just donate fish to fill a global progress bar that will trigger events and boost randomly when milestones are hit. So first, the machine is located inside the underwater city. So you can just go straight from the entrance and you'll find the machine on the left. You can just here click on sacrifice fish. As you guys can see, the milestone is 1,000 points. So you can just donate some fish in here. So to have this the fish to donate, of course you need to uh, go fish first, and here there are different points based on the fish that you donate. Like the one here, the azure reef crab, you can get 4.5 points. And let's scroll down again. Let's see the sea orkin in here, the starback catfish, also with the same points. Let's see if there are bigger point. Okay, this one, the rubber ducky, you can get 8 points. And here there's also the legendary, the abyssal moe angler for 60 points. And last one, the baby maya fish, you can get up to 200 points. So if you have this fish right here, you can just click on donate and the points will be increasing like this. So you can donate more than one, just like this. And once it hits 1,000 points, you can activate the Atlantis machine. So it will give you boost on maybe luck, shiny, or mutations. You can also click on donate all if you have all this fish and you want to get 1,000 points fast. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.